Hi guys, you're welcome back to Nigeria News and Entertainment, number one channel for entertainment news just happening around. On today's news, Zlatan Ibile trolls Wizkid, compares his height to Aki and Popo. Nigerian singer Zlatan Ibile recently took to social media to troll Wizkid. In a recent Insta story post, he compared Wizkid's height to that of actor Chinedu Ikedieze and his companion Osita Iheme. This comes after Wizkid took to his Insta story to praise his new song. If there is ever a list of Nigerian celebrities who knows how to get tongue wagging, rapper Zlatan Ibile will definitely make the cut. He recently left social media buzzing with reaction after he took to the platform to troll Wizkid. In a recent post on his Insta story to compare Wizkid's height to Chinedu Ikedieze and Osita Iheme, popularly known as Aki and Popo, his post comes shortly after Wizkid took to Insta story to praise Zlatan's new single titled Unripe Popo. Social media is currently buzzing with reaction following a new video of Nigerian singer Zlatan Ibile. Recall a while ago, even Niger star Tasha was dragged online for having body odor during her stay in the house. Among the people who mocked her was Nigerian rapper Zlatan Ibile. Zlatan has always been mocking people in the industry, so I'm not surprised. I remember the Tasha body odor song he made. He did that trended for months. He even went as far as making a song about her. Understand? The song we're talking about it trended for months, and it appears that this is no longer a case, as a green-haired music star recently shot a shot at Tasha in a trending video he made last week. The singer can be heard saying, "Tasha, come to daddy." Now he's professing love for Tasha. I think he wants to date her or something. It's just his strategy. So Zlatan has always been in the entertainment industry. Still last week, Zlatan mocks police at checkpoint, asks them if they don't watch TV. Nigerian singer Zlatan, in a new video emerging online, capturing the moment popular singer Zlatan Ibile was spotted mocking some policemen at the checkpoints and asked them if they don't watch television. In the video, the singer was driving in his Porsche car when he approached the police checkpoint and he was flagged down. The police then asked him for identification and he replied them by saying his face is the identification. He then mocked them by asking if they don't watch TV. He pointed out to why they don't recognize him. This guy is a madman. Yeah. So guys, it's your boy Zlatan again in the news. What do you think about him mocking Wizkid? Do you think it's a strategy to sell his new single, or he really wants to fight with Wizkid? Hmm? You could say he wants Tasha now after the body other song. After the body other song, he's confessing love to Tasha and all that. And then now he's mocking the police at checkpoints because they're asking for identification. But I think even if you're a star, you still need to carry your identification because stars do so many things these days. Yesterday, rapper Offset was arrested in US for carrying a loaded gun in supermarkets. Yeah. So I think he's wrong on that. He should identify himself and forget that shit. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. God bless.